Howdy, thanks for joining me. I'm Wayne. Picked up one of these little flying crystal balls. It's called LED crystal ball. Control it with your hands and stuff. We'll open this and show you how to use it. Well, here it is, all right, the LED crystal ball, it says. Let's open this little guy up and see what we can do here. There's your charging cable. It says on the instructions, connect the USB-C to the ball. Let's find out where it is here. There it is, right there on the very bottom. And plug the other end into your computer or your charging plug like you use on your phone. It says it takes about 25 minutes to charge it. It says the red light will come on when it's charging. It will turn off when it's done. Then you turn it to on. Turn the little switch here to on, like this. And hold it in your hand, it'll take off. As it comes back down, you put your hand under it and it'll keep going up as it senses your hand, okay? So we'll get that over and fly it here in a minute. Look at this. Whoa! All right, we'll charge this up and get it ready to go. All right, let's do some charging here. Remember we showed you on the bottom here, the USB charging port. Be sure it's in the right direction. You don't want to force it in the wrong way, okay? There it is. Plugged in. Plug this into the USB port. See the red light come on right there? Red light's on, it's charging. All right. Lay it down, let it charge. Said it takes about 25 minutes to get a full charge out of it. But I don't know how long the actual flying time is. Usually these drones only fly maybe 6 to 10 minutes, but this one doesn't really say. It says you can use the plug-in for your cell phone charger if you want to use that. All right, it's charging. We'll get it ready and we'll go fly it. We're ready to fly this little guy. Switch right here, turn that on. Get out here and hold it till it goes up. See if we can grab it here. No, I can't. We'll just let it come down to the ground or it'll stop. I guess not. There we go. I got a hold of it. Turn it off. All right. There it is. I think we're going to fly this another time. Turn your switch on right here. Senses your hand. Whoa. Whoa! Yeah, it senses your hand there. Whoa! Whoa! Okay, we've turned the lights off in the room here. We're going to see how this looks in the dark, okay? Look at that light. Whoa! Look at it go. It looks pretty good in the dark, doesn't it? Wow, a lot of lights. Trying to grab it. Oh, I got it. Finally. Wow. Get over here, little brother. All right, let it go. Look at it go. I think the battery's beginning to get a little low on it. Alright, I think that's enough, so we'll just turn it off here. You see how it does in the dark. Sure does light up good, doesn't it? I want to thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss any. You got a lot more of these. Go check out the playlist. Leave us a comment. Tell us what you think. Also, check out the description below. I have links to Amazon where you can find a lot of these. Okay? Thanks for watching and see you next time.